In this tutorial, we will be creating isometric drawing in AutoCAD 2015. So we want to create this drawing. The length is 160. So click on Start Drawing. At first set the limits. Enter 0, lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 200, 200. As the length is 160, therefore we are taking more than that. Then give Z enter, A enter for zoom all. Then we want to create isometric drawing, so click on this button to make it on. Click it, so it will get on and your cursor will also get inclined. And if you don't want to use this grid, you can click on this button to make them off. So at first, suppose we will create this side of shape. So here is 12 thickness is there, 12, again 12 is there. Then we will work out the remaining length. Suppose line, click on line, give the first point. Then to make the line straight, make ortho on. Click on ortho on, ortho mode. Then here we want on this side to go by 24. Here is the length 24. So in the direction we want to go by 24. Then again up we want to go by 12, 52, 12, 24. So here is again 12. Take it ahead 52, again below 12, again 24. Then again up is 12, again inside will be again 12, again about 12. Then here actually it will become 52 plus 12, 24, that is 76. So we'll give 76, then 12, then again 12, and close here. Now left side is created. Then we want to go on the right side. So your cursor is not going on the right side. So to change the plane, click on this arrow and click here isoplane right. Then okay, actually you have to cancel the line command, press escape. Then from here you have to click on right. Okay, we'll go for left first and again we will go for right. So here plane is change. That means if some command is running there, you cannot change the plane. So from here you will have to cancel the command, then you will have to change the plane. Then again here I want it to be 160, 12, 12. So again I will give line command from this point to 160, enter. So this shape will be the same. So we'll just copy these two lines. So we'll click on copy this, enter, give this as a base point and this give this as a second point, enter. Then again copy this line, copy this line, enter. This will be the base point and this will be the second point. Escape to come out, press escape. Then next will be, suppose we want to create this vertical of 20, 42. So we'll again take one line command, go up, give the length of 42. From there again it is a 30, that means this length is 60. So again we will come on this side to 60. And from here we will drag this point and click there, click, enter. Then we want to create a circle here. So for that click on the arrow, ellipse arrow, and select axis end command. axis end, then click on iso circle, then give the, now it is not showing the midpoint, so just on the iso, just on the snap cursor or snap object snap, click the arrow and tick the midpoint, so it will show the midpoint automatically. Click the midpoint, give the radius or click on this endpoint, so this circle is created. Then I want internal circle of 15 radius, that is 30 diameter, so again ellipse axis end, click on iso circle, center point, radius is 15, enter. Then I don't want it this bottom portion, so I will trim it, so click on trim, then this as a cutting edge, enter this object to be trimmed, enter. Then the same arc is at a distance of 76, so we will copy this arc, so click on copy, select this line and this arc, enter, give the base point, give the direction we want to go there, so you can also press F5 to change the direction, give the F5 and give the distance of 76, enter, then escape to come out. Then we will need one line to cover this area, so click on line, then again quadrant is not on, again click this arrow and make the quadrant on, then take your cursor here, create a line from quadrant of this circle to the quadrant of this circle, press enter to come out. Again trim, give the TR, enter, cutting edge, enter, object to trim, enter. So in this way this shape is created. Then next is, suppose we want to create this inclined line at a distance of 32, so we'll just copy this circle up at a distance of 32, so click on copy, select this circle and this line, enter, give the base point, give the direction and distance of 32, enter, escape to come out. Now again one more line will be needed here, so we'll again change the plane to right, again line from here to, you can track the point and click and make ortho of, I want line up to this quadrant point, enter, then trim, TR, enter, cutting edge, enter, object to trim, so this is created at a distance of 32, same will be needed at a thickness of 12, so we will again copy this line, copy this line, enter, base point, direction, make ortho on for straight copy and press F5 to change the direction and give the distance of 12, escape to come out, so we can connect this endpoint. So in this way this portion is created. Then these lines to be connected on that side, so take the line, then again F5 and take inside, enter, trim it, enter. Now this line remained, so we can connect it using line and up to this line, press escape, so in this way, and one more line will be needed here, so line, so you can track this point and click there, escape. So in this way this object is created. Then next will be to give the dimensions, so for that you will have to use aligned, so I want to give dimension from here to here, then press D, enter to increase the size, modify, fit, increase the size to suppose 5. Okay, close. Still more size is needed. De-enter, modify 15, and I want text to be above ISO standard and single digit. Okay, close. So it is properly showing now. Then will be other dimensions, suppose 30 here, then here 12, 52, 24. So here I want 12, then press enter to repeat the command in this line, and 24, and they are given total length also of 100. Okay, then this 10, 12, 24 vertical dimensions. So click on aligned. Okay, it was actually 10, so we given it 12. Okay, so we will have to move this line below. So move, select object, enter base point, direction F5, change direction by 2 distance, and trim the unwanted object. Okay, then here also trim it, then again aligned. Here is 12 and here is 24, so we will have to track that point 24. So all we will increase size by somewhat, those will make it 20, so it will be bigger and it will be displayed properly. Then 12 and 32, so here again 32 and here is 12, then 76 from this mid to this mid. Okay, it is not in line, so again aligned from this quadrant, or for this line we can give the dimension from this end to this end, 76. Then 20, 42 and 30R, 42, 30R. For that we will use leader from this quadrant, make ortho off and give radius of 30, 30 R30. Click outside. To increase the size, go for annotation, then multi-leader style, modify leader structure, make it 20. Okay, close. Then actually this 76 I want here, so for that I can move from this quadrant to suppose this midpoint, and I want it on the line, so again I will drag this to this midpoint. Okay, escape. So in this way all dimensions are given, then I will have to make them align. So we can take this away, XY. For that give UCS icon command, no origin. Then we will have to align these dimensions. So for that, click on Annotate, Dimensions, Oblique. Then select object. So this I want vertical. So all these are vertical. So I will select all these dimensions. Enter oblique angle 90 degree because I want it vertical. So angle will be 90 degree. So by clicking on it, you can place it at desired location. You can track it using the grip. Escape to come out. Escape. Then again these dimensions. So it will be aligned with this line. So this line angle is 150 degree. So again dimensions oblique. Select these line. These are dimensions. Enter. Angle is 150 degree. So those are aligned properly. So from here you can take it okay on inside, and you can take this text outside also. Okay, then I want this in between line, so give D, enter, modify. I don't want that horizontal, so I will give align with dimension line. Then fit, draw dim line, so it will show the internal line. Okay, close. So internal line is there, take it out. Okay, escape. Then this dimension 12. So again oblique, select the dimension, enter. So angle will be the angle of this line. So select 2 points of this line. So it will automatically align to that. Again for this oblique, select object, enter. So angle will be this line 30 degree. Then this side. So I don't want these two lines. So I will just explode this dimension. So click on explode here. Select the dimension, enter, and erase these lines. Enter. Then in between I want one line here, so take the line command from center or midpoint to this. So in this way this line is created. Then I want this to be vertical and 42 to be 30 degree. So again annotate dimensions oblique this dimension, enter 90 degree vertical, oblique, select object, enter in this direction 30 degree. Then next will be to apply this center line. These three center lines are there, and okay, no need to apply this. So then you can make layer for that. So click on home, layer properties, then make new layer, suppose center. So for object we'll give some color, then for center we will take some color, and we will make it load, click, see, okay, center, okay. Then again new layer for dimensions, dim, give some color, okay, then close it. Then I want all dimensions on dimension layer, so select all the dimension, and click on here dim layer, escape to come out. Then here line is overlapping, so for that you can go to modify, then click this arrow and send to back and select this object. So wherever the line is overlapping we can send it back. enter. So it gone on the back side. Then we want to create this center line, so click here and click on center. Then increase the gap by giving LTS command, line type scale, make it 5. Okay, dimension layer is, line type is center, so click on layer properties, make it continuous, dim. Okay, close it. Then I want it one vertical, make center current, take the line command, then from track the center point, make ortho on F8 and create up to this. And one line I want it inside, it will be on the left plane, so click on left line, from here inside. Okay, so I think in this way this drawing is ready. So we will stop here. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.